Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is here to revolutionize your cooking, making meal prep effortless. This incredible appliance replaces 9 kitchen tools, from a pressure cooker and slow cooker to a yogurt maker, saving you counter space and simplifying every recipe. Imagine perfectly cooked meals, whether you're pressure cooking dinner in minutes or slow cooking a stew all day, all from one sleek device. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can literally set it and forget it, achieving restaurant-quality results for rice, soup, cake, and more without any guesswork. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot means easy cleanup and a healthy cooking surface that won't chip or degrade over time. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its precise control and versatility, making it the best all-in-one kitchen appliance for busy homes looking to buy smart. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking game, check out the latest deals and customer reviews on Amazon using the link in the description. Considering the price for all these functions, this Instant Pot offers incredible value and truly pays for itself by reducing takeout. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's a culinary assistant designed to inspire and simplify your daily cooking experience. For anyone seeking efficiency, variety, and top-tier performance in their kitchen, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have in 2025.